Hello, friends, and not so much friends. Welcome to the Jungly Show. Here in this upcoming series of videos, actually, I'm trying to learn .NET Core from my own and thought would like to share this learning path uh, with you all. And so what I've come to know is we need obviously the .NET Core installed in our system and also and I'm using VS Code as an editor. So I will straight away go ahead and see from where to install this .NET Core from. I have my browser ready. I'll just type .NET download. Okay, so this is the place from where we get the .NET 8. Just go ahead and download it and install it in your system. It's pretty straightforward. And then I'm using VS Code as an editor, right? So VS Code download, and then I go ahead here code.visualstudio.com download, and here you will get all the versions from Mac to Linux to Windows, whichever platform you're using, just go ahead and download it. Okay, and I have actually .NET 6 installed in my system already, so I will not go ahead and download this 8.0 and I will work with .NET 6.0. So I will go ahead and open a command prompt. So once you have installed .NET and VS Code, just open a command prompt and see that if the .NET is being installed properly or not. To do that, you can actually run the .NET command and just check the version maybe like this. So the version that is currently in use in my system is 6.0.302. And we can also see what are the uh, SDKs I already have in my system. Okay, so I have 2.1, 3.1, and 6.0.302. And the current one in use is 6.0.302. Now, going ahead, if I try and see what are the commands that .NET CLI gives us, you can simply write .NET and help, right? So you can see that there are a lot of commands that comes with it. And there is something also called new. It is used to create a new .NET project or a file. It means .NET project means it can create boilerplate code for projects like .NET Web APIs, consoles, and different kinds of projects. And we can also create new files like solution files with the help of this command. Okay, so the next thing is I'll straight away go towards this my file explorer and see if I could create a new project. And here is my file explorer. What I will do is I will open this folder in a command prompt. And then, so the purpose of this video is I'll try to create a console application. And fro- after creating console application, from that console application, I will try to uh, create a web API application from a console application, right? So I'm not going to use or create a web API application using the .NET CLI. So I just want to understand how the program.cs file works, right? So that's why I thought that I would create a console application and then create a web API out of it. So as I said, if you just write that .NET new and you list what kind of projects or boilerplate code it can give you, you can see that it can create a web applications which is a .NET Core, empty application, then this gRPC, then web API. So if you do something like .NET new web API, it will give you a boilerplate flow code for and create a web API application for you. Okay. So there are various other things. A .NET Core with Angular, with React, and there are also files like gitignore. There is also this solution file. And you see here somewhere there is this console. So we'll create this console application at the beginning. Okay. So to do that, the command is .NET new, and then you have to write what type of application is console, then with what is the name of our project, right? So I would give it a name as my app. .NET new type of project, then the name of the project. Press enter. Okay. Creating the application, and it might take some time for me. Okay, now created, succeeded, right? So the next thing is you just do a just move to the my app directory so that we can work with it. And here we can see if I go to my browser, to my file explorer, we can see this my application is created, and here is the files, right? And then what I would do is I would simply go ahead and so when I am in my application folder, I simply go ahead and write code. Code is for VS Code. Okay, and then a dot. So open this folder in VS Code. That is what I'm saying. It's opening. Some time. Okay. Open it. Okay, so my VS Code is open. Yes, I trust the authors. I've created the folder. And you can see that there are two files in it. There's the CS project file. Somehow, okay. So you can see the target framework is net 6.0, and we have another file called program.cs. We have this default line console.write line hello world. So it is simply print the hello world string in the console. What I will do is let me try and build this. Okay, I have my terminal open, and then I would like to taking when terminal is taking a lot of time to open. Okay. Program dot yes, PowerShell. Okay, finally. Finally. The terminal got opened. It's a very, very fast computer that I have. Truly. Okay, .NET command to build a project is .NET build, and we have to be in the that current in that folder which has the CS proj file. So I am in that folder only. There from there you have to run this .NET build command, right? So it will try and build this console project for me. Building, building, building. Okay, something happened. It's very fast. Too much fast system I have. Okay, build succeeded. Our wait is successful. See, after the build has succeeded, you can see there is this new folder got created, bean. I think it should have this indice bean. You have a debug folder, then .NET 6.0. I think there's this exe here, myapp.exe. Because here we are saying that output type is exe. Anyways, so the build worked. Going back here, I would try to run this project, okay? .NET run. Hello world. Excellent. Hello world. Then what I will try to do is, let me see if I create two integer variables and try to print them. Does it work for me or not? A plus B. Excellent. Thing no formatter. Okay, anyways. So we have this, and then if we simply do a .NET run, I think it will again build it and then run the application. So .NET run, and it's as usual taking time, its own good time. And yeah, we can see hello world and 30. My God, this is like, okay. So in the next video, we'll see how to debug this code using VS Code, right? So see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day.